Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. As you can see, I am getting ready. I've been to the gym, so I've achieved my morning's goals. I actually had a really good session, like an actual really good session. I did everything apart from one exercise out of what I normally do. I just didn't do bench press today because I don't know why actually, I just didn't. But I did everything else and my upper body is quite sore, so I feel good. So I'm feeling very good this morning. I'm feeling great actually. My toe doesn't look any worse than yesterday, so don't expect a gross shot of my toe today unless it changes, but as of right now it pretty much looks exactly the same as it does, or exactly the same as it did at the end of the last vlog. It's not really sore. I was like, you know, I've been watching a lot of Vlogmas videos and a lot of the girls that I follow, I follow pretty much, so with YouTube I culled like a lot of people that I wasn't actually watching, and I just was like, they've given me no substance to my life, so I unfollowed a lot of like beauty gurus from other countries that, like, you know, are quite, I don't know what the word is, I'm not going to give them a word, but I unfollowed quite a lot of people, so now I pretty much, yeah, unsubscribed from quite a lot of people, so I pretty much am only subscribed to New Zealand and Australian beauty gurus, like with a couple of like American and Canadian etc ones, but mostly just ones from New Zealand and Australia because I find it more relatable, and just fitness people. So the point of this story, rather than me telling you my subscription preferences, is that a lot of the fitness people that I'm subscribed to are doing like fitness videos or Vlogmas videos about fitness, and I am getting so much information about all sorts of stuff like stretching and warming up and like routines and stuff, and it's really inspired me to start warming up at the gym properly. And I also want to build up my flexibility because I'm not a very flexible person, and I think that's where some of my struggles at the gym come from, that I'm not flexible. So that's something that I want to work on over the summertime to like increase my flexibility in my hips and my hamstrings and stuff. So that's like one of my goals, but I'll talk to you guys about my goals probably nearer to the end of the year. I might do like a video if you guys want to see it. The point of that whole really long story is that one of the girls that I follow does like an incline walk to warm up, and I used to do that, but then like, I don't know, for some stupid reason in my guide, like it says that you do warm-ups, but I just like didn't do warm-ups for like ages, or stretching, and then my PT told me off. So I started stretching, but I wasn't warming up first, so I decided to do a walk today, and it like kind of hurt my toe. Not like a lot, but it kind of hurt my toe. I just wanted to come and talk to you guys really quickly because I'm listening to a new podcast, and I don't know if you guys are interested, but I thought I would share it. This is it here. It's called She Thrives Radio, and this chick, her name is Taylor Gage, assuming is how you say her name. She does a whole bunch of different topics, but mostly like fitness and confidence. So the ones that I've downloaded, some of them are, the last one that I just listened to was like all of the supplements that she takes, 5 tips for getting sufficient protein every day, 5 steps to manage overwhelm and get everything done, self-confidence, what your cravings can teach you, how to start beginning or revamping your lifestyle. But yeah, I'm really enjoying it so far, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. The other thing that I was going to say is yesterday after I finished editing the vlog, I pretty much wrote my entire Christmas wish list. I know you guys are like, but Olivia, it's like 12 days till Christmas. I know, or 13 days or something till Christmas. I know, I'm really slack. I find it so hard as an adult to make Christmas wish lists because like, I just, and I guess it's also because I have like problems with shopping. Not problems, don't want to say problems because I really don't shop as much as I used to, but like if I want something I buy it, you know, like I don't just wait. So I guess it kind of is a problem, but I find it really hard to make a Christmas wish list. So I asked for a couple of things. I asked for like a diffuser. I asked for, and I know you guys know if you watch my weekly live that I already bought a bullet journal, but if anybody wants to buy it off me, let me know. I haven't written anything in it apart from like pencil marks, so I can rub those out for you and sell it to you for like 30 bucks. I think they retail for like 40, including postage, let me know. But I want like a planner. I was thinking about it, and I love bullet journaling, but if I get the right kind of diary, it would just make my life a lot easier. Like, I love the creativity, but I just don't think I want to like commit that time to it. And then if I don't get all of the stuff on my wish list, which I won't obviously because nobody's gonna buy me a car and there's like 20 things, then I've got stuff that I can buy myself next year. So yes, I'm gonna go to work, so I'm a little bit early, so may as well go to work early today. Corpo and I at dinner. I don't have my camera because it was very spontaneous. Okay. Oh yeah. Gonna get good old faithful with some chips. Chips. What are you gonna get? You gonna get the same?
I don't know, I think the menu's actually changed a little bit, so...
Always.
It's a Paris.
Paris, Texas. Got my one and Babs' one. So much chicken. I mean, so much chips. Like chips for days. Had free desserts, y'all, on the app. So I'm home from work, home from dinner, home from everything, and I thought I would just come on here and just chat to you guys. So I was going to stream tonight, but Corpo and I ended up going out for dinner, and our flatmate is not very well at all. She's had like a migraine for like 5 days or something, so we decided that we were just going to hang out with her. She's sleeping now, so I'm just lying in bed. Corpo's still just making sure that she's alright. But yeah, Corpo and I obviously went out to Lone Star. It was really, really nice. And then I got home and I was going to stream, but I just thought I better not, just because my, you know, Hazel's not feeling too good, so I thought it would be better for me to just take the night off. Well, I was, not that I always stream on Wednesdays, but I was planning on starting again, but it was already like 8ish by the time I got home, so I was like, I'll just wait and we can start again another time. But yeah, my Gymshark stuff arrived. I'm actually wearing one of my new bras right now, so sneak peek. I think I will film that video this weekend. I'm still waiting on one more package, but like I'm not gonna wait anymore because I'll just pop photos in of what I'm waiting on, because it's just not worth it. I wanted to wait for the Gymshark stuff because I can actually try it on, but the other stuff that I'm waiting for isn't like a clothing, well, one of them is a clothing item, but I don't know if that's shipping, so I was just like, meh, I will wait for the Gymshark and then film it, and I can just stick photos in. Anyway, you guys, I am going to go. It is pretty late and I'm feeling tired and I still have to edit this vlog, so I thought I would just cut it off now so that I can get it done and ready for tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment and tell me something cool or ask me a question. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you really soon with another Vlogmas video. Bye!